So, how's it going? My name's Brandon. I'm one of the directors for HOBO Rep, New Comedy Festival. See that? Yeah. Alright, awesome. So, I wanted to come here to the kitchen and, just kind of talk, because interviews really make me scared. So just, a little bit about the show. The show's going well. A lot of really fun time with the actors, and things are good. Things are working out. And these guys, I can't thank them enough. They took me on, and they trusted me. They really thought I could do a good job, and that feels good. That feels like you're really wanted, like you're accepted, right? Like you have a place. And so I just wanted to come here and be really honest. Show them